Driving innovation, the unfolding saga of Mitsubishi Motors' rise to automotive greatness. Get ready for an exhilarating ride through the dynamic history of Mitsubishi Motors Corporation, a journey that traces the evolution of a company from shipbuilding to pioneering electric vehicles. In this exploration, we aim to answer the captivating question: how did Mitsubishi get so big? From the iconic Lancer evolution to the groundbreaking i-MiEV, join us as we rev through the gears and unveil the driving forces behind Mitsubishi's ascent in the automotive realm. 1. Origins from shipping to cars. Mitsubishi's diverse beginnings. Our journey starts with the foundation of Mitsubishi as a shipping company. In the late 19th century, we explore how the company diversified into various industries, including mining and steel production, before venturing into the automotive realm. Join us in uncovering the diverse origins that set the stage for Mitsubishi's automotive legacy. 2. Automotive ventures begin. Mitsubishi Modella and expansion. Mitsubishi officially enters the automotive scene with the production of the Mitsubishi Modella in 1917. We delve into the development of the first mass-produced car in Japan and its impact on the domestic market. Join us in exploring how the Modella laid the groundwork for Mitsubishi's future automotive ventures. 3. Pioneering electric vehicles, the i-MiEV revolution. Mitsubishi takes a bold step in the 21st century with the development of the i-MiEV, a groundbreaking electric vehicle. We explore how the i-MiEV became one of the first mass-produced electric cars and its contributions to sustainable mobility. Join us in celebrating Mitsubishi's commitment to pioneering eco-friendly technologies. 4. Ford prowess, the rise of the Pajero and Montero. Mitsubishi establishes itself as a leader in off-road capabilities. With the introduction of the Pajero Montero in some markets, we delve into the evolution of this iconic sub and its success in rally competitions, including victories in the Dakar Rally. Join us in appreciating the rugged prowess that defined Mitsubishi's Ford legacy. 5. Lancer evolution, rally heritage on the streets. Mitsubishi's rally heritage extends to the streets. With the iconic Lancer Evolution series, we explore how rally-inspired performance, advanced technology, and distinctive design elements make the Lancer Evolution a fan favorite. Join us in reliving the high-performance legacy of this street-legal rally car. 6. Strategic alliances navigating global markets. Mitsubishi strategically forms alliances to navigate global markets. We delve into partnerships with other automotive giants, including collaborations with Renault and Nissan. Join us in understanding how these alliances contribute to Mitsubishi's global presence and technological advancements. 7. Eclipse and 3000 sports car excellence. Mitsubishi makes a mark in the sports car arena. With the Eclipse and 3000, we explore the design, performance, and technological innovations that define these iconic models. Join us in celebrating Mitsubishi's foray into the world of sports cars and its impact on automotive enthusiasts. A. Evolution of Saga's Outlander and Asa. Mitsubishi continues to evolve its Saga lineup, with models like the Outlander and Ascent rarer in some markets. We delve into the design, philosophy, features, and innovations that make Mitsubishi Saga's popular choices in the competitive market. Join us in appreciating the versatility and style of Mitsubishi's Saga offerings. 9. Global expansion and manufacturing from Japan to the world. Mitsubishi expands its footprint beyond Japan, establishing manufacturing plants and operations around the world. We explore the global expansion strategy and the localization of production to better serve diverse markets. Join us in understanding how Mitsubishi became a truly global automotive player. 10. Innovative technologies from super all-wheel control to plug-in hybrids. Mitsubishi introduces innovative technologies, including the super all-wheel control system and plug-in hybrid technology. We delve into how these advancements enhance vehicle performance, safety, and environmental sustainability. Join us in appreciating Mitsubishi's commitment to pushing technological boundaries. 11. Triton and Strata pickup powerhouse. Mitsubishi makes its mark in the pickup truck segment. With models like the Triton and Strata, we explore the durability, versatility, and performance that define Mitsubishi's presence in the competitive pickup market. Join us in celebrating the rugged capabilities of Mitsubishi trucks. 12. Eclipse cross-blending style and utility. Mitsubishi introduces the Eclipse Cross, a crossover sub that blends style and utility. We delve into the design elements, features, and technological innovations that make the Eclipse Cross a standout in its segment. Join us in appreciating Mitsubishi's commitment to creating vehicles that resonate with modern lifestyles. 13. Future-ready initiatives from electric cars to autonomous driving. Mitsubishi unveils future-ready initiatives, including plans for electric cars and advancements in autonomous driving technology. We explore how Mitsubishi positions itself at the forefront of emerging trends in the automotive industry. Join us in anticipating the next chapter of Mitsubishi's journey into the future. 14. Cultural impact Mitsubishi in pop culture and motorsports. Mitsubishi's impact extends beyond the automotive realm into pop culture and motorsports. We explore how Mitsubishi vehicles become featured in movies, television, and iconic motorsport events. Join us in celebrating the cultural significance of Mitsubishi on a global scale. 15. Community engagement driving passion beyond dealerships. Mitsubishi fosters a sense of community among its enthusiasts. We delve into how Mitsubishi engages with its passionate fan base. From organizing events to supporting motorsports endeavors, join us in celebrating the camaraderie and shared passion that define the Mitsubishi community. 16. Future Horizons: Navigating the Automotive Landscape. As we conclude our exploration, we turn our attention to the future. We examine the challenges and opportunities that lie ahead for Mitsubishi in a rapidly evolving automotive landscape. Join us in contemplating how Mitsubishi is positioned to continue its legacy of innovation and success. Conclusion: like the roar of an off-road engine or the whisper of an electric motor, Mitsubishi's journey echoes with innovation, resilience, and a commitment to delivering vehicles that go beyond expectations. Subscribe for more journeys through the realms of automotive evolution, innovation, and the open road. Arigatou gozaimasu. And until the next turn in Mitsubishi's exhilarating journey unfolds, may your own drives be as adventurous and dynamic as the evolution of Mitsubishi Motors Corporation. As we bring this exhilarating ride through Mitsubishi's history to a close, the echoes of innovation continue. Subscribe to join us on future journeys through the highways of success and exploration of the automotive landscape. Arigatou gozaimasu. And may your drive towards success be as spirited and dynamic as the journey of Mitsubishi Motors Corporation.